Hello, babe.
Fanny Parrot. Let's
I'm
go.
sorry. I said I will come on Monday.
I don't naked like this. People was for snatcher. No go pursue me because he go teach a madman. You know, no say na one guy naked like this. That's a separate situation. Like we find ourselves in Nigeria. I'm bread now. Bread, now this guy carry the make her like.
I'm very serious. I promise to come on Monday. Don't be angry now. Don't be angry. I said I'm sorry. I promise I will come on Monday. I promise to come on Monday. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
I don't achieve this bread. People pursue madman. I don't achieve this bread.
Oh man, where you go since now?
I don't learn.
Die. And where you go since now? I dey vex for you.
Go first now. Why you gonna do
Where
like
you
this?
go? See your clothes now. I no see you since where I come back.
For me to achieve this thing, I off my clothes.
You achieve wetin?
See what I achieve now? Bread. I achieve
You
bread.
achieve bread.
I achieve bread now. I have my clothes made them no say everybody just dey think say I be
See
madman.
wetin I achieve.
Coke,
Better cook.
coke and bread.
Cold one.
Again,
You go drink
all the
am.
husband and wife.
Since wey hungry don dey wire me.
I
Now
don't
go
go.
achieve this
You
one.
understand? See, I have my clothes made them think I be madman.
You even the way you wear clothes, they know say you be mad man. Abi you no know. You be mad man. You be mad man.
Who go help you when they know say na madman?
Na mad man dey come now. May I open the bread ba?
Open am.
Okay.
Two bread.
Two bread. Na two bread I see here. Guy, you say na wetin you achieve?
Bread now.
Bread.
Yes. Open am make we.
Na bread you achieve.
Na. Open am. This one. Where I open this? Wait.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Guy, you don fuck up. See wetin you go achieve. May I carry my coat. See, may you know they achieve this kind of a thing another day. Oh. See better thing wey dem dey achieve, you go dey achieve woman pad. You know see how before you achieve am, you go tell me say you achieve bread. Get out.
Why they go do this to me? Resemble bread. Give me coke, can one. And I stand here. I need to chop this thing now.